Repairs to the Gulf State Pier are now on hold. You may recall a 175-foot section of the pier was swept away during Hurricane Sally 2 years ago.
Now, state park officials are saying the pandemic, inflation costs, and supply chain issues have resulted in skyrocketing repair costs they can't afford right now.
NBC 15's James Gordon has reaction from Gulf Shores.
For a project like this, the state usually gets several bids. In this case, they only got one. It could be a sign of a changing economy and how it's affecting the construction industry and supplies as well. State park officials are now looking for the best option to bridge the gap that Hurricane Sally washed away. Those who fish here are eager to get into the deeper waters.
Catching fish, it's good here, but out there you can catch bigger fish. Some of the fish that come in schools, like the Spanish mackerel, you have a little more access to them.
Architects and engineers had estimated it would cost about $7 million to repair the pier. The one bid that came in was about double the projected cost, coming in at $12 million.
There's not much any of us can do about it. We just kind of have to get through it. But I mean, there's still good fishing up. They've caught, pretty good speckled trout this morning.
State park officials say engineering designs and federal and state permits have all been approved, but based on the increased cost, they simply cannot move forward.
The problem is if they wait, it could be higher. A year from now, it could be higher.
And those estimates could go higher, but despite this setback, this pier will remain open through August. In Gulf Shores, James Gordon, NBC 15 News.